Ever wonder what bubble is good for besides making that fun popping sound? How about foam? Which product is better to use? Well, it depends on the application really. Our small bubble is a great surface protectant and good for cushioning light products that won't break as easily. The large size bubble can also cushion your items, especially your more rigid, medium, and heavyweight items that require more protection and shock absorption. Or it can also be used to fill the voids in your box so your items don't move around. This size bubble will provide the most stability for your items and deliver the most protection during a move. It's best used for wrapping things such as valuable or fragile items like mirrors and artwork, and it's also good for filling the voids in the boxes. For larger items such as lamps, the 24-inch width products will provide better ease of use. When bubble doesn't quite fit your need or you're planning on a longer-term storage solution, you can always turn to a foam product. Foam is good for cushioning, surface protection, and packing oddly shaped items. It's also great at absorbing shocks and impacts during shipping and transporting. It also comes in a variety of pouches and sheets to fit your many needs. It's best used for glass and crystal, kitchenware, and items that need to be separated from each other. So, foam or bubble, what's the best choice? Whether you use bubble or foam packaging, both products offer great protection. Bubble offers ease of use, economy, and effective protection, while foam offers the ability to protect delicate and polished finishes to reduce scuffing, rubbing, and marking. So whatever you need to protect, we have the right material for your items.